Hello, my name is Carlos and I am the Barcelona campus director of the Geneva Business School. I have been involved in the education system for the last 5 years, teaching in the classroom, leading our digital strategy, and now managing the school. I am very excited to become a Google Educator certified trainer. Our experience with Google Education started about 3 years ago in our Barcelona campus when we started implementing Google Classroom. We rapidly realized the potential of all of these collaboration tools when used appropriately. Our students and professors love working with all of the Google tools, and we have implemented our own methodology, which I will explain later. In fact, I am currently researching for my doctoral thesis, which will be based on this methodology that uses all of the Google tools. But now, the time has come to show all of these features to our campuses worldwide. This is why I want to become a certified trainer, to be able to show all of our students and professors around the world the benefits of using such a great set of tools. This is the learning pyramid developed by the National Trainers Laboratories in Maine. Here, we can clearly see the average retention rate of information according to each different learning method. Now, if a traditional lecture only helps students retain information by 5%, shouldn't we think of other ways to engage them? Let me explain you about the model that we have created. We've called it the Curated Blended Model. This model uses a combination of different learning methodologies using Google for Education Suite as our core tools. The model is divided in 3 phases: before, during, and after class, and uses flipped classroom approach to give students more control and promote student-centered learning and collaboration. But let's look back at the pyramid using this approach. By analyzing the retention of learning, we could also say that this pyramid could be divided in passive learning methods when students prepare the lesson before class, participation when students attend to class, and learning by doing when students apply their knowledge in a real context. Let's look at each phase a little bit more in detail. Before class, we use micro-learning methods to engage our students by posting videos to YouTube and creating interactive Google sites and communities. But what is very important is to find a way to measure their progress. This is why we measure the outputs and outcomes by using questionnaires using Google Forms. Next, our students come to class with already learned concepts, and we will use our professors' expertise to engage them in class using a problem-based approach. Now it's time to put this knowledge into practice. After class, our students will work on their own group projects using all of the Google collaboration tools. This process will continue during every lesson until the end of the course, where our students complete and present their final projects to their peers. As you can see, not only we cover all the steps of the learning pyramid, but we also gather crucial data that helps our professors better understand the progress of every student. We believe the CBM model changes the dynamic of the classroom, providing students with the autonomy, flexibility, and skills that 21st century students are used to.